Stress is one of those emotions that seems unavoidable these days. In our fast paced, deadline filled culture, many people struggle day to day against recurring problems, medical conditions, and busy lifestyles. These people need someone to give them a boost, and often they find that boost online through quote posters. It's funny how such a simple thing, one inspiring image combined with a feel good quote, can melt that stress away and leave a person feeling refreshed. They see the poster, and when they start to feel better, they're compelled to click the like button and share the quote poster with their friends. They don't care if it's branded or even if it's a blatant commercial for some company. It helped them out, and they share it to help their friends. What if you supplied that quote poster and your brand was stamped on it or linked back to your website? The people would be spreading your message around while getting a helping hand with their emotional turmoil and stress. Perhaps you're thinking this sounds like too much work. Don't worry. We've prepared 100 quote posters that are perfect for this scenario. They will help people cope with stress, and they'll be shared and spread all over the internet. There's a lot of stressed out people living out there. Give them something worth sharing to help them get through it. We've done all the research, created the best images to calm a stressed attitude, and compiled them together with soothing quotes guaranteed to melt that burden away. These 100 quote posters are primed for viral spreading. Better yet, all you have to do after claiming them on a page below is optionally add your logo or brand, share them, and then watch them go viral. Not only that, but when you claim your 100 stress-relieving quote posters, you will also get the fully editable PSD source files to go with them, making them modifiable, reusable, and evergreen. You'll never run out of posters that inspire and aid stressful people, since there's no shortage of stress in modern life. You'll never run out of people to share them. The best part is, you can claim your 100 quote posters and associated files today. Check out how on the page below. Then, add your logo, your website, an embedded link, or any other type of connection to your business or brand by editing the poster. Send it out to your email list or your social media accounts and watch it spread. It's so easy. It's surprising that everyone isn't doing it. Quote posters are quite possibly the easiest way to get massive likes and shares on social media. Claim your 100 quote posters and editable PSD files on the page below while the offer is still on the table.